Want to do some contact management on the go? Let's take a look at how you can manage your contacts on the Constant Contact mobile app. Need to download the app first? Just go to the App Store, do a search for Constant Contact, and tap to install it. From there, log in using the credentials that you use every day on the website. Once logged in, tap Contacts in the bar on the bottom. You'll see a tab for your contacts and a tab for your lists. Tap the plus sign in the upper right to choose how you want to add contacts. You can create a single contact, import contacts from your device, or even scan a business card to add an email. Let's add a single contact. Enter their email address in the provided box, and then click the checkbox that you have permission to email this contact. Then, choose the list that you want this contact to go on. From there, it's up to you to figure out any additional information that you might want to add. Name, job title, company, phone number, etc. When you're finished, tap Done. To manage a contact that you already have in your account, just tap on them and you'll be taken to their contact details page. You can see basic details, which lists they're on, and their engagement. To make changes, tap Edit in the upper right. And that's how easy it is to add and manage your contacts on your mobile device with Constant Contact.